I'm Sasi. Welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you a free Office suite software which is similar to Microsoft Office. So let's begin the tutorial. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So if you don't want to buy or pay for genuine copy of Microsoft Office, or don't want to install the pirated version of Microsoft Office, and you are looking for free Office software which includes Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, so here is an application for you. It's a WPS Office 2019. You can find and download this application from this link, wps.com. From this website you can download this software. This software is a cross-platform software. You can find software for different platforms. You can install this software in different operating system. So you'll find this software in this website, wps.com. So let's see inside the software. So when you open the software, you'll get this type of interface. By clicking on the new documents, you will have three elements or three components: Microsoft Word, Excel and presentation. You can select which elements you want to create. For Word, typing Word or creating Word file, select the documents. You can see here the application menu and the features and functions are almost similar to Microsoft Word. You can see here the home menu. You will see almost similar to Microsoft Word. The first layout, you have this option, and you can also save the file into Word format, .docx format, and also WPS format. You can save Microsoft Word 2013 format also you can save, or you can directly save or export to PDF format also, like in Microsoft Word. So this is a free software which you can use instead of Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word. If you don't want to use cracked versions of Microsoft Word, this is the best software. And if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.